Good morning. This morning I'm going to discuss Delphi 2 INF2611. I'm going to be doing the October-November 2015 exam paper. Most of the answers are already available, but people want to see answers next to questions. So today, if you have a look here, question 1 asks, give 4 reasons why menus are used in an application. Okay, so now when we're designing our program, if we have to think about our program, why would we want a menu on our program? What is the purpose of a menu? How does it help you as a person when you're using Microsoft Word, or even here you can see Acrobat's got a file, edit, view, window, help. Basically they're asking you why do we need this? Why do we need these options? So some reasons that one can give, or I'll give you the 4 that I chose, but that's you obviously welcome to expand on. The first one is options are constantly available to the user. Like over here, if we have a look here, I'm going to run this program because I've created a simple program, and when it starts I will show you. You'll see here you've got a file option here, then you've got new, open, exit. Now without a menu, how would you use this application? So this file menu makes it easy to for the user to explore the choices that are available in my program. Okay, so options is that it's always here on every execution of the program. You'll always find it there. Obviously the user can explore the choices. That's the second choice. The third one is the user does not need to remember commands to type, but can easily select commands from a menu. As you can see, this is the main menu bar, but over here these are called drop down menus. Okay, and you'll see later on we learn about drop down and pop up. The other thing is that menus provide structure and logic to the application. We can also, as you can see by this file new, open, exit, we can group the similar commands together. So those are 4 valid reasons why we would want menus in our application. Also for easy access for the user, like over here we've got invoicing. If there was a print invoice, it would have a print invoice. When we want to maintain different layouts, we can go to this maintain option. So that's 4 reasons why, if not more. Okay, the second question says explain the difference between a drop down and a pop-up menu. Now basically a drop down menu is like I was showing you over here. You've got file new, open, exit. A pop-up menu, the user right clicks over here and it gives him a shortcut to using the commands that you put in your pop-up menus. Okay, why would we want pop-up, and what's the difference? We want the pop-up so that the user doesn't have to navigate their mouse all the way to the file and click on file and then open. If you look at the amount of clicks, they're having to click twice, file and then open. Whereas if they are busy working in the bottom right here of your application, they can just simply right click and choose open, and it will produce perform the same operation as what your file open is. To illustrate this, I've created 2 messages, and you can see here if I click on file open, it comes up and it says you clicked open option from the drop down menu. If I right click here and I say open, it tells me you click the open option from the pop-up menu. So those are just that's just a simple difference. Yeah, the prescribed method is yeah, you would use a drop down menu to add more selections. So if you wanted to have file new or file open and then open a certain file or open 3 different types of files, you could have those sub menus. They call them cascading menus in Delphi. Yeah. And in the pop-up menu, you would use the pop-up menu for quick access to items that are used often. So most of your pop-up menu items would contain something that the user wants quick, easy access to. Okay, the next question asks, discuss the use of menus in your database project. Identify the menu types that you used as well as the functionality that these menus implemented. So at the moment I implemented a drop down menu and it's enabled a click operation for each of these drop down options that are available, and then I've also made use of the pop-up menu. This is obviously helps with shortcuts to a operation. The other types of menus that you get are cascading menus, which is the one that I was telling you about, where you could go to open and it will show you a whole list of other options here. And then you've also got an option that if somebody wanted to make a choice, and you said like a font choice, you go to Word and you click on edit or whatever and you say I want a bold font. That's what they call a check marked menu. And so those are the options that are available in the whole of the menu field, but as you can see I've only used the drop down and the pop-up menu. So that's basically what they're asking you, is to discuss why did you use a file menu and pop-up menu, and how did you use it. What I did was, if I have a look at my program, I went and assigned the click operation of the the pop-up menu to this form. And the way that I did that was I chose the form and then I looked for where it's got pop-up menu and I selected the pop-up menu and assigned it to there. Then question 1D asks, explain how different sources can be used to trigger the same operation. Refer to duplication of identical procedures, the one-way centralization. What you can see over here is a button called open. Okay, the centralization option that's available in Delphi is called an action list. And what's nice about an action list is you only have to specify the code once. You only have to specify the property. I think it's the what property is it? There's a file property. Let me just go to it on action list. Yeah, there we go. Open. Yeah, you specify open as the caption, or you specify whatever your caption is, and you also only specify the name once. And what's nice is you just specify the code once. So if it's a repeat operation, you can put that whatever code is linked to that operation only once, so you don't have to retype it out for each individual click that the user has. And so as you can see, if I click on open, it'll tell me that you click the open option using the action list assigned to button 1, which is renamed to open thanks to the caption of the action list. And this you can see, there's my button 1, and it's still open even in the design phase because I've got an action list assigned to it. If I take this action list away, you should see that it changes back. It should change to button 1. Okay, no, still updated the caption obviously. Yeah, but that basically covers what an action list does, saving you having to type out the file and open command for each menu that you've used. Yeah, I hope this has been helpful. It should be quite easy, but I understand guys are still baffled at this. So I just hope this video helps you guys understand some of the concepts they're teaching you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.